Good morning, cyber traders. Welcome on this lovely Thursday. Good morning, Brad. Good to see you, Lawrence. It's nice to be back. Let me tell you, I was shocked. We had a big event in Vegas. I was there for over the week. Also had a little fun, spent some time with my wife, had a little husband and wife getaway, thank God, for after, now the kids getting old and so on. But we had a good time, met a lot of the great partners out there that we do events with, a lot of great speakers that some of you are very familiar with. Andrew Keene was down there, Rob Booker was down there. I mean, but just a ton of people, great speakers and gurus in the trading room. They all said hi, but I'm nice to be back. Let me tell you, I took the red eye and I was shocked. I mean, I hate doing red eyes coming back from Vegas, but I'll tell you, I can't sleep on a plane. But I'm back and I'm glad to be back. I heard you guys had a lot of good fun with certain stocks. I know the staff at CTU took care of you, had some really good stocks. We'll talk a little bit about them. Listen, we got a really packed schedule today that's going on. A lot of big things that are going on today. Just to remind you, at 11 o'clock this morning, we are going to have TradeStation. One of the senior reps there are going to go over the execution system. We're going to do that in the cyber group room. If you're watching YouTube, Facebook Live, you want to join us, you're more than happy to do that. Once again, just click on, if you got your phone, you got a QR code on the top left-hand corner. Just scan that little QR code and we'll be able to get you in that free workshop. But yeah, so we got, yes, 11 o'clock today. That's right, Jeff. So we got a lot that's going to go on this morning at that time. And then obviously also today at 12 o'clock, I'm going to do an open house for everybody here every week. We do it here every week. And we're going to talk about how to find these stocks and all that good stuff and everything that's going on. But anyway, regarding really about that stocks really quick, my God, CFRX, holy crap, this thing is making a huge run. We're up almost $1 since this morning. 8 o'clock this morning, even at 220, we're at almost 250. 30-cent move? Are you kidding me? Does that sound like a lot? Of course it is. 30 cents and 1,000 shares, $300. What is that? 50 grand a year? Who doesn't want that? So of course you definitely want to look at it. We're going to talk a little bit about that, a couple other stocks. And then also I got some great news also I want to share with you. I have finally was able to launch my new Fausto Home Living channel, how to make authentic Italian sauce. I'm going to give you guys the link. I did post it in there. I know everyone's been waiting for it for a long time. There's 2 videos, just to let you know. There's one on Instagram, which is a 60-second video. We're going to try to get it on YouTube. And then there's a second one, the really lengthy one that you want to watch that's in detail. That's the one you want to watch on YouTube. But we'll give you that link. And don't forget, everyone, you got to share it. You got to like it. Please get as many views that you can for us on it. It's the only thing I always ask for all of you to kind of go out there, share it on your YouTube, your Facebook, any channel you're on here, any social media. But it's the only favor I would always ask everybody. All right. I teach you how to make money. You better like my videos. All right. So anyway, let's talk about what happened yesterday, because you guys had a couple of good things I heard that you were trading yesterday. But anyway, this FRC, this is one of those California stocks that we were talking about, the banking stocks. This thing did not come back. I saw the alerts coming on. We have the alert service at CTU, but that thing just took a huge dive. But it had a really nice bounce. You could see it here. When it took that big crush this morning, I could see it right here. What a nice little ricochet. I think everyone should have probably found it. What we taught you right around here, 580. Thing ran all the way to $7. But my God, that thing just and you know what? The crazy thing is, I thought that was going to be a swing trade, and I had second thoughts on it. But you could see it right around this price. I mean, this stock was $125 stock. I'm like, it's only for a while, but it never really kind of came back. It wasn't like some of the other ones, like Wall did come back, WAL. Some of the other ones, Key never came back. This one did come back a little bit, PACW, but that FRC doesn't look like it's doing too well. And I know everyone here was trading the PACW, which was trading very close. And you can now start seeing, as a trader, they trade very similar to each other. Now, LUNR, that one actually did a really nice move. You can see it right there. Nice, great push. $7 stock, $7.50 to $9. Once again, follow the mouse pad. Oh, just to let you know, regarding about the mouse pad, first of all, it was a big hit from all the gurus. They were all dying for it. We just got a shipment in, so we'll put the link in there. If you guys are looking to get the mouse pad, best times to trade. We'll get it out there. I know that some of you have been harassing me, like, where's my mouse pad? But, the clock. So we got that. That's coming out. We just got a shipment in. So we'll be able to get that sent out. Getting back to the stocks also we're trading, the CAX. That was a really nice CXAI, one of the AI stocks. That was the one that we were trading back in a couple of weeks ago, $1.50 to $20 a share. Listen, regardless of the whole AI news, these things don't move and go up from $2 to $20. And don't think you're going to think it's going to go to 100. You know what I mean? Can that happen? Of course. Just remember, the faster they go up, the faster they come down. Actually, it's twice as fast. All right. And also AI. Listen, we had a lot of fun with that stock, right? $10 stock. Guess what? Went all the way up. By the way, anyone want to speculate why the stock's coming down? Anybody have an idea why it's really coming down? Speculated? I mean, the only thing I kind of figured out, Elon Musk came out and really bashed the company and said we got to put a cap on AIs and stuff like that. I know he had a meeting yesterday with Senator Schumer regarding about it. He said it was a really good meeting. He actually even tweeted about it. And I don't know, read between the lines. That might have something to do with it. So anyway, that's what I would be careful of. Anyway, that was the past. Let's focus on the future. Let's get back to CFRX. So anyway, that is the biggest percentage gainer right now in the market. This stock last year was in the $300 price range. This thing got destroyed. Don't think it's going back to 300, okay? If we can get back to $3, I'll be happy with that. But I want to go hop on and bring on and see what's going on level 4. Now, this is what I see here, okay? Now, you could see when I zoom in and zoom out, you could see the iceberg orders starting to show up, 27,000. You could see the ladder effect. This is actually pretty cool. You got a 3-level tier, which is also kind of brings it up. I'm not seeing any sellers out there. You can see the buyers when they show up here around $1.65. Once again, we're going to talk a lot about this in the afternoon meeting. We're going to talk about it with TradeStation. We're also going to talk about it in my 12 o'clock open house. So once again, if you're just logging in late on YouTube, take your phone and you got that QR code right there on the left. Just scan it and we'll be able to get you logged in. And by the way, if you're watching this as a video later, you could always watch the recording, okay? So anyway, that stock is moving pretty nice. That is obviously going on the watch list. I just want to post up the pre-market watch list and on the tags. Yeah, there you go. So that was actually we post that. What time we post that? At 7:46. What was on the first one of the stock? So 7:46. What time is that? When you got the alert? Oh, right around here, $2. So you're looking pretty damn good. Anyway, no sellers out there. Read between the lines. All right, another stock that came up on my watch list was ATOM. Now, I don't know. ATOM, it had a really big move yesterday after hours. So obviously you could see it was more of an earnings play. And it went shot up over to 850. Nice little move. It's not really going anywhere. And you know what? When I look at level 4, I'm not seeing anything going on. So I'm not really completely sold on it. But it's not a really good morning. I'm not seeing that much. Even though the market's up 140 points right now, CFRX, that's all we really need right now. But, listen, some of us already missed it. Well, I don't know. Did you really miss it? The market didn't even open up yet. So I would probably be too much concerned about it. We'll see what happens. The big news right now, obviously, what's going on too, which I probably have never seen this in a long, long time. Metastock is doing great. Their earnings came out great yesterday. And you could see, I think, pop from 210 all the way to 235. She's moving pretty well. The stock got a lot of scrutiny. The stock was in the $100 price range. Stock's already a double. We're not going to trade it because it's too expensive. Let me tell you, level 4, though, looks amazing. let me show you what's going on. You could see big iceberg orders here. 136 got taken out. 140 got taken out. Anyone else out there? I'm not really seeing any big sellers out there, but I do see a little bit of a ladder effect that happened early in the morning. But so you can use the style we train you here at Cyber Trading, how to shadow big iceberg orders, even with brand name stocks. Hey, we did really good with that with Tesla, last week, if you remember. But anyway, they're all in the big percentage gainers. Amazon, you could see that. Meta's in there. Intel's obviously taking a little bit of hit. Tesla really taking a big hit right here. But obviously, that's not our real forte. We like to trade stocks a little bit more, less brand name and more volatility on it. So Other than that, as I was watching, I mean, with some of those stocks that we found in pre-market, I'm not completely sold on it regarding what's out there, but they're okay. I mean, this stock I saw too was moving up, but the volume I thought was a little light, 38,000 shares, up 50% TWOU. This stock took a very big hit. It was okay. And New York Stock Exchange stocks, I mean, this is up 12%. It's a very cheap little stock. Nova, I mean, look, not that much out there. Really, really not that much. Losers, Wolf's taking a big hit. It looks like a Wolf Speed. This is trying to make a little bit of a comeback. Yeah, there's not really that much out there. This one's taking a big hit. This one might be a short, $33 stock, but the spread is ugly. Remember the big thing we always teach you at Cyber Trading University? We always talk about the 3 T's: tradable, trend, and trap. And you know what? If the stock is not tradable, you got to be very careful because you could really get beat up on it. But you could see most of the stocks here and the most active are brand name stocks. And remember, we need good volatility on it. So not really seeing that much out there. We got about 3-4 stocks. All right, we'll throw that back in there. We'll see what happens. Looks like a lot of the stocks that we found early this morning are basically pretty much that. All right, so now regarding about the big news. So about the sauce video, all right? Because I know everyone's been harassing me for that sauce video. Where is that sauce video? Oh, here we go. So to give you guys the link, they're starting to hit me with commercials. Let me give you the link right here. All right, so here's the link if you guys want to register for, you want to be able to watch that video on YouTube. This is the link. There it is right there. And a lot of good videos. Just want to post that up there for all of you here on YouTube. There you go. Thanks a lot, Rich. Rich is sharing that on our trading room. So if you want to finally get to learn how to make authentic Italian sauce, here's your chance to kind of watch it. There's a short one on Instagram, a 60-second, but this is actually the more detailed version of it. All right. So, and by the way, I got 3 big ones that also come out after this one, but this is supposed to be the most popular one. All right. Anything else before we go, cyber traders? Anything else? All good. All right. So let's get ready for the market open up. Don't forget today, we got TradeStation at 11. We got the open house at 12. You got the link on the top left-hand side. If you're in the cyber group room, once again, you have a little busy day today. You had Traders Talk on Tuesday. Thursday is always our popular day to bring out some of our VPs, some of the big gurus, and some of the big well-named brokerage firms and gurus into the industry to come talk to you. So we'll see you until then. So you got a busy day. All right, guys, good luck today. Happy trading. And for everybody else, we'll see you back here midday. And remember, we are live every morning, 9 a.m. to 2:30. Happy trading, everyone.